All right, sorry guys that this video is so long. I just talk a lot. Okay, so we finished this um, problem, and let's go to the next one. Okay, so I'm gonna do multiplying and dividing fractions. If you like, oh, hang on guys. If you like steps, there's some steps. Mixed numbers is gonna be in the next video, so I'm skipping it right now. All right, multiplying fractions. Here's the thing. I swear I will come wherever you are if you do this junk. Okay, so that's 7/8 times 2/5, right? Some of you do this mess, and I just want to like come through this screen and hurt you. I'm not really gonna hurt you. I'm just teasing, by the way. Okay? Like y'all multiply this, and then you multiply this. No, don't do this. You will like. I will cry. I will just cry. I will have nightmares about it. I'm a terrible teacher. Don't do that mess. All right, here's what you do. There's a couple ways to go about this problem. I don't care which way you do. I'm going to do way one up here. Maybe I should have typed that. That says way. Right here. Way two. Right, way one, you're going to multiply across, then reduce. Way two is you're going to reduce crosswise, then multiply across. I don't care what you choose. I'm just showing you two different ways, just like if we're going to a friend's house, two different people can go a different way and still get the same answer. All right, multiply across. So 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 5 is 40. But it always has to be simplified, right? So let's, I don't know, divide everything by 2. We get 7. And then 40 divided by 2 is 20. So we get 7 over 20, and that can't be reduced. All right, way 2 says, so we multiplied across. Okay, we multiplied across. So 7 times 2, 8 times 5. And then we reduced. Way 2 is reduce crosswise, right? So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And you have to reduce by the same number. Okay, if you buy one child one jacket, if you buy one child two jackets and you buy one child three jackets, that's not even. And then we multiply across. So 7 times 1, 7. 4 times 5, 20. All right, we're still got to 7/20s. Next, multiplying fractions. So same thing, we can do 6 times 15, 90. And then 25 times 48. I know y'all hear me using my calculator. I just don't want to spend 20 minutes multiplying a number. I want these videos to be short. And then we can reduce those. Okay? And we'll get, if we divide everything by 10, we get 9 over 120. Divide everything by 3, get 3 over 40. Okay? That's if you multiply across and then reduce. Okay, if you do it the other way, which is reduce first and then multiply, it's a little easier when these guys are big, right? So 6 and 48. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 48 divided by 6 is 8. And then 15 divided by 5 is 3. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Okay, and we have 1 times 3, which is 3. 5 times 8, which is 40. So we're still getting there. Okay, 3 over 40, 3 over 40. Dividing. Okay, this problem can be written, let's choose a different color. 5 over 7 divided by 35 over 8. Here's my rule for dividing fractions. When you divide, don't you cry. flip that second sucker and multiply. When you divide, don't you cry, flip that second sucker and multiply. Okay, so this problem, 5/7 divided by 35/8, is the exact same as, I wish that was lighter a little, 5/7 multiplied, flip that second sucker, so we flip only the second guy, and multiply. All right, so we can do 5 times 8, 40 times over whatever 7 times 35 is. But I can't really do that in my head. So I'm going to reduce 5 divided by 5 is 1. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So I'm going to do 1 times 8 is 8. 7 times 7, 49. 49. There we go. That's ugly, but it's there. And that's our answer. So dividing fractions, flip the second sucker and multiply. Dividing fractions. Right. 12 over 25. I need to pick better colors. By 18. When you divide, don't you cry, flip that second sucker and multiply. So we're multiply. Okay, 18 is the same as 18 over 1. So we're going to multiply by 1 over 18. Because what you're really doing is when you flip the second guy, dividing equals multiplying by the reciprocal, just so you know. So the reciprocal of 18 is 1 over 18. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 over 1, which is 2. The reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. All right. So we can do 12 times 1 over 25 times 18, or because I don't know how to. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 18. Oh no, that 18 does not 4. Let's do 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 18 divided by 3 is 6. All right, so 4 times 1 is 4. 25 times 6. 20 times 4 is 100. And then 2 more. So 150. If you have 6 quarters, you have $1.50. Sounds great. Oh, we can reduce again. Silly me. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. And then 150 divided by 4. Oh, it doesn't work. Just kidding. Let's divide it by 2. 2. It's an ugly 2. And then 150 divided by 2 is 75. There we go. This is our answer. Okay, 25 divided by 5/6 is the same as 25 times. Please, I'm begging you, don't write an x. Okay, don't do 25x, like for multiplication, 6 over 5. Because when we start using variables, you're going to be confused. Like, is it a multiplication x? Is it a variable x? Use the dot. Like, that's a really ugly dot, but it's a dot. Or use this guy for multiplication. Do not do 25 times 6. Yes. No, don't do it. I'll cry. No! Don't do it. Don't. You're going to get confused when we start using letters and variables. All right, remember 25 is the same as 25 over 1. And if we want to reduce him, 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 5 times 6 is 30. And then 1 times 1 is 1. So we just get 30. That's my answer. Mixed numbers is going to be in the next video, so I'm skipping. All right, fabulous. Fractions. Okay, so go do the practice work, your homework, and then your next video is going to be about mixed numbers. All right, thanks, guys.